telling us about your disgusting body. I don't see anything. That's because it's all blood.
Bro, where are we on the attitude burglary?
We are very close, Captain. Aside from a complete absence of evidence suspect. So in conclusion, not at all close.
And the Baker Street
Chuggles.
aggravated assault.
Stalled out.
Chuggles.
Robbery also remains unsolved. Due to
Chug.
solving it by the
Chug. Seriously.